You want me to get a load, honey?
Get a load of this.
Alright, I'll let you do it.
It's all yours. It's wood chips. It's not heavy.
Alright, I'll do it.
We'll be back in no time.
So why do you put the wood chips down?
What do you mean, why do I put them down?
What do you put them down for? Just so it looks good? We're playing gardening for dummies here.
I'm putting the wood chips down so that the weeds don't grow and because it looks nice. That's it.
That's why I'm doing all this
Yes.
heavy shoveling over here.
Yes. When the weeds do grow up through, it's easy to pull them out because it's not like they're growing in nice soil or anything.
Great. Looks great. I'll get another load. Don't worry.
Thank you.
I'll do the hard stuff.
That is why you have a husband, right?
Yeah.
You signed up for it.
I don't remember this in the vows.
It was a quick blurb. Fine
Yeah.
print.
What a difference
What?
the wood chips make.
I know.
It's beautiful.
It just makes it nice and clean, right?
It makes it feel like those poor trees didn't die for no reason.
True.
I'm gonna get all emotional.
Now get down here.
Oh yeah, I know. More wheelbarrow fulls.
Yes, probably one more. Two more. And if we're, yes, definitely two more.
It's back breaking.
Good for you.
Somebody don't know how to drive over there.
So close.
Last load. You lied. And this is your punishment.
I'm always punished.
This will be the last load.
Half load. Trees.
So where did we get all this wood from? These chips?
Trees.
You can
That's
tell
usually
by
where you
all
get
the
wood
logs over here. We had to cut some trees this spring. Had a couple dead ones. And that's where we got all the wood chips from. That I proceeded to move over to the garden.
No.
You did one load.
I did a bunch. Remember you were
Ow.
filling, you were filling wheelbarrows and I was taking the wheelbarrows to the garden and coming back with an empty wheelbarrow and leaving it and taking the full one to the garden. So
Yeah.
let's not be hasty in our
Let's put it this way, folks. There is no stunt double for the husband. I do all the work off camera. And don't forget it.
She did it for 50 seconds now.
Yeah. Really?
Is that hard boiled or raw?
I just took it out of the fridge.
Definitely raw. All right, that's good before you hurt your teeth. Good job, Lou. Good job. I mean, I was hoping they'd be able to help me with the loads of wood chips, and
Yeah.
I'd be saying good job for that, but
Yeah. It's gardening with kids occasionally.
yeah. It's gardening with kids. Let's see how much we can get done before they have meltdowns.
It's gonna happen soon, so
I hear it. I hear the uprising in the voice.
what's that, buddy?
I'm gonna catch the egg. Ready?
Peace
I'm
out.
gonna catch the egg. Whoa! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh! That's it.
That chicken died for nothing. For your amusement.
Egg.
Hope you're happy about that.
What egg? I think I'm gonna
Some poor chicken was in pain for 15 minutes so you could have a good time. It's pitiful. This is what our
You
kids
obviously need some chickens in a coop,
do. No.
so you know how that works.
No. We are not getting chickens. It is so much easier. Now, Blake, we have Fox up here. and you guys are gonna
chicken coops.
Trust me, those chicken are just gonna be dinner for the fox, folks.
Well, they need to eat too.
No, it's a lot cheaper to go to the store and buy a dozen
cute.
eggs.
Right? What do you think? Where were you on this chore? No help, no appreciation.
I like it.
Yeah, you like it. That's it.
Looks great.
Nice warm day in March. You can get a jump start when you can, because we all have jobs and activities and children. So it was a nice day at work, because, you know, probably would have been done a lot sooner had our kids helped.
Yeah.
What did we get? Like maybe a half of a gator bed full of wood chips from you guys? And then you left the gator in here, so we had to move it?
Yeah, we got ghosted.
Dump truck.
We got ghosted by our own kids on this project, folks.
It was the dump truck. It got stuck in here and they just left it for dead.
Branches are gonna fall out. Look at.
I have a dog that's hungry. I'm starving. I worked up an appetite. But it looks good, right?
It looks excellent.
Free wood chips from trees we took down not that long ago. And it helps suppresses weeds.
It looks great. Well, that's going to do it for this episode of Gardening with Kids. Until next time.
Good garden.